In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an Illustrator file and import it into PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to enhance your presentation with professional graphics or simply want to integrate your Illustrator design seamlessly, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. Let's ensure your journey from Adobe Illustrator to PowerPoint is not only straightforward but also effective. To begin, fire up PowerPoint on your computer. It's important to have everything set up and ready so you can transition smoothly. Now open the PowerPoint presentation where you want to add your Illustrator elements. Make sure it's the correct presentation to avoid any mishaps as you integrate the new designs. Once you have your presentation open, navigate to the Insert tab found in the PowerPoint toolbar. This is your gateway to adding various types of content like images and videos into your slides. Clicking this tab will reveal a myriad of insertion options, but our focus today is on integrating graphics. Under the Insert tab, locate and click on Pictures. This selection allows you the freedom to import images directly from your device into any slide in your presentation. When you click Pictures, you'll be prompted with further options to choose your source. Choose the This Device option to browse files stored locally on your computer. Selecting this will open a pop-up window where you can navigate through your folders and find the image or graphic you wish to import. However, since we're dealing with a specific type of file, the SVG or scalable vector graphics, you'll first need to configure the file type. In this pop-up window, there will be a drop-down allowing you to select different file extensions. Go ahead and click on the drop-down menu to reveal a list of file types. From this list, select Scalable Vector Graphics. SVG files are ideal as they're not only vector-based, allowing them to be scaled without loss of quality, but they're also fully supported in PowerPoint for editing purposes. Once you've set the file type, browse through your computer's files to locate the SVG that you've previously exported from Illustrator. Select the desired file and prepare to import it. With the SVG file selected, hit the Insert button to import it directly into your presentation. Now that your file is in PowerPoint, you can begin personalizing it to fit your slide design. PowerPoint allows you to edit, scale, or resize these SVG files with ease. This means you can modify colors, change dimensions, and adjust elements to perfectly suit the rest of your slide content. Enjoy the flexibility and creative control as you transform your presentation into something unique and visually engaging. With that, you've successfully navigated the process from Illustrator to PowerPoint, ready to create compelling presentations with your custom graphics. Enjoy experimenting with the capabilities at your disposal and make those slides visually stand out.